CRS Rice Bowl. For Lent, for life.
The Philippines is one of the most disaster-prone countries in the world, and it's because we sit next to the ocean. We have about 20 different tropical storms every year. Typhoon Bopha was a very powerful storm, but it's not the first or the only one. We've had usually one major typhoon every year that brings a lot of destruction. Before the typhoon, most rural families depended on coconut production, but the typhoon wiped out about 60% of the coconut trees and has devastated the local economy. In Typhoon Bopha, over 80,000 families lost their homes, fully damaged houses. People are not used to it, they're not prepared for it, they don't have homes built to resist typhoons, so the level of destruction is quite high. The question was, how do we select the first families to start the program? The community met together and they picked Danilo and Annalisa's family as the most needy, in the most need of a house.
Kaning kuan mi diri sa una kami mati ang nabili namo diri nga anak 5 ka buok may na bilin diri pero ang nata kuan tao dito kaning tulo na tao dito sa Mati Provincial Hospital.
Tungto ako sa Mati ang akong kuan na nadunggan na naibagyo diri nagikulbaan ko na ang mga bata. Pasig na nga kuan na sa bagyo.
Ang kuan mayugan na kuan sagup sa magulang nako. Wa pa masagup. Patay siguro to. Balay pati balay nawala sad. Ano nakahukom ko magkuan buhat og kuan nagpayag buhat ko.
Danilo and Annalisa received the first transitional shelter because they have 8 children. Then Danilo is unemployed. Okay. Then Annalisa has no job. So the CRS transitional shelter has a good design because it has a strong windstand, it has a roof, it is a 3-step elevated, and where footings were cemented.
Kasulti ko sa nga na kanak bahay mas madayaw pa siguro doon yung kanak kiapistuhan kayo na yung kaarangan.
Danilo is doing what he can. He started a garden, but it's just not enough. He needs more than what he's doing now. They're very dependent on their food aid and they need to rebuild their livelihoods and get their income back to where it was. There are so many families like Annalisa and Danilo's who have lost their income. Their livelihoods were wiped out by Typhoon Bopha. For CRS, we're working with these families to give them cash for work as a way of helping them restore their livelihoods, be able to pay for food and other household needs that they have, like medicine and school fees.
Gusto ko na makapagtapos ng pag-eskwela sila. Makapanarabaho sila pagtapos ng pag-eskwela. Ang among kuan mga anak nako sa akong pamilya.